Welcome to the Michigan Trauma Quality Improvement Program. In this section of orientation, we'll provide an overview of the program. MTQIP is a voluntary collaborative of Level 1 and Level 2 trauma centers dedicated to improving the quality of care delivered to trauma patients. Hallmarks of the program embody complete and accurate data collection, data validation, risk-adjusted feedback on outcomes, and implementation of mechanisms to measure and correlate processes of care with outcomes. MTQIP values working with one another and not for competitive advantage, full and complete participation in the program by its members, and the sharing of experiences and outcomes so that all can learn. MTQIP initially started out as a data quality pilot conducted at the University of Michigan in 2004. In 2008, a collaborative pilot was established involving 6 trauma centers in Michigan. In 2011, MTQIP became a formal Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan and Blue Care Network supported collaborative quality initiative. In 2017, MTQIP began a project with the state of Michigan to foster the development of a regionalized, coordinated, and accountable trauma system in the state, which includes Level 1 through 3 trauma centers. Currently, MTQIP receives over 25,000 case submissions a year from over 35 adult, Level 1, and Level 2 trauma centers. The current calendar of meetings and events can be found at www.mtqip.org on the Calendar tab. Collaborative meetings are scheduled 4 times annually. The February, May, and October meetings focus on the specific clinical needs of the membership for surgeons, program managers, and MCRs. The June meeting addresses the needs of the collaborative's data abstraction staff and is focused on data-related topics. The ACS TQIP meeting serves as a national platform for collaboration with centers across the nation. This meeting is held yearly in November or December at rotating venues. Required data submission via your MTQIP vendor portal is due the first Friday of February, June, and October. Optional data submission is due the first Friday of April, August, and December. Submission reminders are distributed via email approximately 1 month and 1 week prior to the due date. Data validation visits are conducted remotely on an annual basis for selected MTQIP centers. To schedule a validation visit, centers are sent a scheduling poll by email. This allows centers to choose a date most convenient for all abstraction staff to participate. This service is provided as a means of education and process standardization. Hospital expectations for MTQIP membership can be found on www.mtqip.org under the Resources menu, Expectations submenu. These are the expectations that participating hospitals are expected to fulfill to be deemed active participants and receive the associated financial support. These expectations include organizational commitment to active participation in the MTQIP program regarding facility administration and MTQIP programming staffing levels, timely and complete data submission, identification of a clinical champion that is a trauma surgeon, identification of an administrative lead or site coordinator that is the trauma program manager, assignment of a dedicated MTQIP clinical reviewer or MCR to collect data and assist in the trauma program quality improvement, commitment to use the V5 or trauma-based trauma registry software packages offered by ESO, commitment to use the MTQIP and TQIP data elements and data definitions, commitment to use the Association for Advancement of Automotive Medicine 2005-08 update version of the abbreviated injury scale for injury coding in the trauma registry, collaboration with other participating sites, commitment in attending MTQIP collaborative meetings, and confidentiality and collegiality. The University of Michigan serves as the coordinating center for MTQIP. The MTQIP Coordinating Center serves as an important resource for participating hospitals to organize and oversee data validation visits, provide administrative management of MTQIP, analyze data and generate reports for feedback and discussion at MTQIP meetings, assist collaborating sites with any participation issues that may arise, provide training to data abstraction staff on the data elements, data definitions, and methods of data abstraction based on the work of the NTDS. Periodically review and modify the MTQIP data elements and definitions based on program needs, and to keep them synchronized with ACS TQIP and the NTDS whenever possible. Develop and maintain standardized operating procedures and protocols. Organize and lead an advisory committee that will be responsible for leadership, coordination of continuous quality improvement efforts, development and review of manuscripts, and distribution of the program's findings. Conduct MTQIP-wide meetings to review quality improvement opportunities. Provide timely and informative feedback to each participating hospital. Monitor participant performance throughout the year to ensure that participants are meeting expectations. In instances where participants are not meeting the participation expectations established by the Coordinating Center, the Coordinating Center will alert participants through verbal or written communications of their performance issues as soon as the issue is identified. MTQIP's advisory board was formed in January of 2012 and is comprised of MTQIP participating trauma surgeons that work with the MTQIP in providing direction and feedback on future endeavors. Blue Cross Blue Shield and Blue Care Network of Michigan reimburses MTQIP member hospitals for a portion of the administrative costs incurred to participate in MTQIP. The funding support model is intended to cover the costs of abstracting data for BCBSM, BCN, Medicare, Medicaid, and uninsured cases, which equates to approximately 80% of the total data abstraction. Your site's P4P contact is notified of the prospective payment amount and specified payment model for MTQIP. Your hospital's participation in MTQIP is measured under the BCBSM Hospital Pay for Performance program. A portion of your P4P score will be based on a performance index. This index is developed by the Coordinating Center and can be found on our website at www.mtqip.org under the Resources menu, Performance Index submenu. Thank you for your attention. We hope you found this overview helpful.